Hello folks, welcome back. I thought we'd do a fairly easy one to start the week. Small Things by Blink-182, just such a brilliantly fun tune. Nice guitar tone in it too. So let's start there. I'm using the Heavy Menace by Empress Effects. It's quite a high gain sort of tone really. So you want something that's going to give you a bit of chug, and this is a custom build by Dave Walsh at Eternal Guitars, and that is a bare knuckle P90, because I do get asked about this guitar a lot. So before the first riff, we just do this little intro, which is 2 power chords, G to F, and I would do down up for the strumming. Or you could do 2 downstrokes if you're feeling a bit Hetfield about it. Then we're going to go into the first riff. And that was downstrokes, but if it's more comfortable to do alternate strokes, then do that like this. A note on these little percussive whacks. Often, if you just hold all your fingers on the strings, it might not be enough with a lot more gain. So I would encourage you to palm mute and do like that. I mean, up to you really. You can actually hear the noise gate kicking in, can't you? Cutting that off. So I think I'm going to do alternate picking. We're going to go C to F, up to the 8th fret, down to the G. There you do 9 though, okay, rather than just 8. Then I would move down to the F, and then you do your up, down for the whacks, and then up, up for the F power chord, okay? And around again. And that is the first riff, okay? The next part is the verse, and you're basically going to be palm muting all of this. 8th notes again. Now, if you're a bit new to the guitar, and this is a good exercise for 8th note chugging, so you're going to rest your palm here, not too far up away from the bridge, get it. Find a good spot where chugging happens and just kind of remember it, right? Then we're going to go 8 on the C, 8 on the G, 8 on the F, back up 2 frets to the G. Like that, right? Really straightforward. 3 times of that, but on the 4th time you're going to play. And you're going to let that ring out, okay? So all we're doing there is 7 chugs. And then we go to the C with a ba-da-dow, down, up, down. Okay, so that is it. Now, a little note on this. You'll sometimes hear that going on. And all that is, on the 4 and, you do 16th notes. You play... that, right? It's not in there a lot, but every now and again it is, okay? So, back to the chorus. So we go... And then we're into this. Do that twice, okay? So that's 2 bars of C, a bar of G and a bar of F. Really straightforward. But then you'll hear an overdub coming in over the top of that. So those chords are still playing behind this next bit, but then you'll hear... Alright, you'll hear that. So we have 4 on the C. 4 beats, that is. So we have a bar of C. 4 on the F, but this is just an octave, right? So you're going to be muting that D string there with a bit of meat from your first finger there. 1, 2, 3, 4, down 1 fret. And then down to the 5th fret for the D. And again, there you're going to be playing 9 of those, right? So that's going along with the G. So that's what the whole thing sounds like. Like that, right? Pretty straightforward. Into another verse. That goes around a couple of times, I think, and then... that rings out for 4 bars. Another chorus. Then you go... the distorted guitar just lets that ring out. But there's a clean guitar playing. Pretty cool, it's just a C. This is an F5 with C in the bass. So 3, 3, 5, right? Slide it up 2 frets, and that is a G with D in the bass. Play that whole thing around 4 times. Meanwhile, Mr. Distorted Guitar is playing. So that's 4 bars worth, and then you've got... so just alternating, you could play... could do that, right? It's 8th notes or palm muted, and it's 5-0 or 5-5, part of the C chord, right? Like that. Play that. It's a 2-bar phrase. You play it 6 times. Then into this again. This is like the outro chorus now. That goes around twice. 3rd and 4th time, there's a little fill, which is... that would be... and that's the ending, right? So you just tag on an extra bar of... chug, 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 and then the C. And you folks are done. Hope you enjoyed that one. Bit of fun. See you soon.